Hi students, now I am going to take 12th standard maths, chapter 3, theory of equations. Last classes we discussed about Vieta's formula. By using Vieta's formula, how to form the different polynomials and how to find out the roots of higher degree polynomials that we have completed. Today we are going to study how to find out the roots of the equation which is given in AP or GP form. No roots are given, but the statement is solve the equation 9x cube minus 36x square plus 44x minus 16 equal to 0 if the roots are in AP. If the roots are in AP, arithmetic progression, if it is in arithmetic progression, you know the terms will be a minus d, a and a plus d. So first you can write the given equation 9x cube minus 36x square plus 44x minus 16 equal to 0. Since the power is 3, we are having 3 roots. So we are taking the first root is alpha equal to a minus d. Second root beta equal to a. Third root gamma equal to a plus d. Since in the question it is given the roots are in AP, we are taking the 3 roots as a minus d, a and a plus d. Next you can write sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to a minus d plus a plus d. The formula to find out the sum of the root is minus b by a. Minus b by a means here what we are getting? Minus of minus 36 divided by 9. When you are cancelling, we will get 4. Sum of the root equal to 4. So, a minus d, a plus d means d and d will be cancelled. Therefore, 3a is equal to 4, which implies a is equal to 4 by 3. Next, you can find out the product of the root. Product of the root alpha, beta, gamma, which is equal to a minus d into a plus d. The formula is minus d by a. What is the value of d? Minus 16. So 16 divided by 9. So when you come back, a minus d into a plus d. So a into a square minus d square equal to 16 by 9. Now from the first expression we got the value of a is equal to 4 by 3. So now we are going to substitute this 4 by 3 here to find out the value of d, which is equal to 4 by 3 into a square 16 by 9 minus d square equal to 16 by 9. Next you can take this 4 by 3 to the other side. Now we have to simplify this. So 16 by 9 minus d square is equal to 16 by 9 into 3 by 4. Here only these two numbers you can cancel. Now we are getting 12 by 9. So 16 by 9 minus 12 by 9 equal to d square. That is d square is equal to same denominator. So easily you can subtract and write. Suppose if you are cancelling, once more you have to find out the LCM. So here same denominator means 16 minus 12 we are getting 4. So 4 by 9. From that we are getting d is equal to plus or minus 2 by 3. Already we got the value of a as 4 by 3. D is equal to plus or minus 2 by 3. So, two different answers, two set of answers we will find out. Both are same only in the reverse direction, that's all. So, first we can consider when A is equal to 4 by 3, when A is equal to 4 by 3 and D is equal to 2 by 3. With this we can find out the terms. Already we discussed the three terms are A minus D, A and A plus D. So the first one A minus D, 4 minus 2 by 3. Second one only A, 4 by 3. Third one A plus D, 4 plus 2 by 3. Therefore the three roots are 4 minus 2, 2 by 3. Second one A is equal to 4 by 3. Last one 4 plus 2 6. 6 by 3 is equal to 2. Therefore, the roots of the given equations are 2 by 3, 4 by 3 and 2 which are in AP. Now, we are going to solve one more sum. Solve the cubic equation 2x cube minus 9x square plus 10x minus 3 equal to 0. Here no roots are given. So already you know if sum of the coefficients are equal to 0, then you can say 1 is the root. Here what are the coefficients of this polynomial? 2. Sum of the coefficients. Sum of the coefficients means 2 minus 9 plus 10 minus 3. When you add 10 plus 2, 12 minus 12 which is equal to 0. If sum of the coefficient equal to 0, then you can say 1 is the root of this equation. Since the power is 3, we have to find out 3 roots. So 1 is the root means we can write x minus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. So first sum of the coefficients, since the sum of the coefficients is equal to 0, 1 is the root. 1 is the root means we can write x minus 1 is the factor. So if x minus 1 is the factor, we can write the given equation 2x cube minus 9x square plus 10x minus 3 is equal to, one of the factor is x minus 1 into the other one, the first value 2x cube divided by x. What we are getting? 2x square. Last constant minus 3 divided by minus 1 is plus 3. In between value we don't know. That we can take it as px. So the given equation can be written as x minus 1 into 2x square plus px plus 3. Now equating the x terms. We want to find out the coefficient of x. So equating the x terms on both sides. Equating the x terms here, left side the coefficient of x is 10. Right side the coefficient of x, how we will find out? Minus 1 into px, x into 3. So you can write 3 minus p. From this we can find out the value of p. P is equal to minus 7. Now we got the value of p is equal to minus 7. Therefore 2x square minus 7x plus 3. We have to factorize. This is an ordinary quadratic equation. If you are factorizing this, two factors we can find out. 2x square minus 7x plus 3. Ordinary factorization. 3 2s are 6. So you can write minus 1 and minus 6. divided by 2x so the factors are 2x minus 1 into x minus 3. If 2x minus 1 and x minus 3 are the factors, x is equal to 1 by 2 and x is equal to 3. So for this equation, already first we have got the root as x minus 1. That is 1 is the root and x minus 1 is the factor. With the help of that, we got the remaining two roots are 1 by 2 and 3. Hence, the three roots of the given equation, the three roots are 1, 1 by 2, 3. Thank you, children.